Hi, my name is Kia Simmons, and I am the founder and CEO of Traverse Culture. We are here at Two Rivers Mall, where we'll be having the historical event Journey Back to Eden, or better known as the JBE. And I wanted you all to be able to see some of the experiences you will have at this beautiful location, which is one of the largest malls in Central and Eastern Africa.
So if you're coming to the JBE, we have partnered with the Holiday Inn, which is a place where you'll find some of the most luxurious rooms here in Nairobi and a fine dining restaurant conveniently located at the Two Rivers Mall.
The Journey Back to Eden is a 3-day event built into a 7-day and 12-day tour of the beautiful country of Kenya. We will be having a business conference, culture exchange expo, New Year celebration, and a town hall meeting with none other than Dr. Umar right here in Nairobi, Kenya. And we want to see you there this December.